My name is Marcus Sasser. I'm 22 years old from Dallas, and I'm a guard in Houston.
This is my desk. I'm building the next. Spectacular from Marcus Sasser.
The city of Houston, has been great to me since I've been here. I feel like they took me in, showed me a lot of love and support, and I feel like the least I can do is try to help them. That's why Sunrun and I worked together to find a deserving family to give a solar energy system and backup battery to. The Bryan family has been such a staple in their community and an incredible influence on the people around them. We can tell right away that they were the kind of people that deserve some appreciation. And because we know the difference that solar power and the home battery can make in someone's life, we want to do it again, but we need your help. So right now I'm excited because I'm launching the biggest feature of my partnership with Sunrun. If we can get 15 people installed through my link, we're going to give a system to a pre-selected family in need at no cost. Sign up through my link today to level up your life with solar energy and help us give back to the planet and the community.